Start the peel and stick membrane at least 4 inches up under the intact upper shingle row so the patch sheds water rather than trapping it. Begin by removing damaged shingles and any old fasteners so the deck and surrounding shingles lay flat. Measure and cut the membrane so it extends at least 4 inches beyond the hole on all sides and enough up beneath the upper shingle row to create a continuous water-shedding surface. If the repair includes replaced roof sheathing or a new wood patch, make the membrane cover the entire new wood and lap onto the existing deck by at least 4 inches to bond the pieces together. Clean the substrate of dust, loose granules, and oil using a stiff broom or a rag. For cold days, warm the membrane in a warm room or use a heat gun at low setting to increase tack. But keep heat moving to avoid burning the adhesive. When applying, peel back just enough liner to stick the membrane to one edge, press firmly with a hand roller or the flat of the palm to avoid wrinkles, then progressively remove the liner while smoothing the membrane down to eliminate air pockets. Finish by nailing or reattaching new shingles over the membrane where required. Ensuring the membrane sits beneath the upper shingle row and overlaps any lower course by at least the manufacturer recommended amount, and seal exposed fastener heads with cement or a compatible roofing sealant. Common mistakes include installing the membrane only over the hole, which leaves edges unbonded and susceptible to wind lift, so always lap 4 inches or more beyond the damage. Failing to clean and dry the surface first reduces adhesion, so sweep and remove debris and allow moisture to evaporate before application, and stretching the membrane during installation, which causes shrinkback and gaps later, so align without tension and smooth progressively while keeping it relaxed. For each, the fix is straightforward. Extend the membrane beyond the patch area, prepare the deck thoroughly, and apply without pulling while using firm pressure to engage the adhesive. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects large and small, and hosts a discussion community where we trade tips and ask questions about repairs like peel and stick membrane patches. We help contractors find work by listing their services and helping them engage with homeowners through our community.